Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, this reading is going to be for anybody that is drawn to this video right now. You could be somebody who has Pisces in your sun, moon, rising, Venus or Jupiter signs, or you could be a cross watcher who is drawn to this video. Okay, so guys, keep in mind that these are general readings. It will resonate to most of you, not all of you. So take whatever resonates and leave the rest. This is your love reading. We'll see what's your person thinking about you. Okay, so we will see what is your person thinking about you, Pisces. Knight of Cups, Two of Swords and the World, all three in reverse. Ace of Swords, the Judgment and Wheel of Fortune. Okay, so I think I'll take as it is. Eight of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles and the Tower. We have the Justice here. Alright, bottom of the deck is Nine of Cups. Pisces, as far as your person is concerned, this is somebody who has, you're dealing with somebody who has love for you. This is somebody who wants to work on this connection. Okay, what has happened between you both already is a Knight of Cups in reverse, Two of Swords in reverse and the World in reverse. I think this person made a bad choice in the past. Like, this person may have tried to move on from you. I see that this person did try to move on from you, but it did not work out. This person felt that they can do without you. This person definitely tried to move on from you. Maybe they had somebody else in their life. They were getting close to somebody else, but then they realized that they made a bad decision and that is not what they want. So this person feels that they made a bad decision in the past, Pisces. Okay, as far as the current energies are concerned, we have the Ace of Swords, Judgment and Wheel of Fortune. This says that this person wants to work on this connection again. They are not giving up so easily. They know that this is very challenging. At times this person feels that you both are dominating in this connection. It's like it's very difficult for you both to get along. This is what this person feels, but they don't want to let you go, Pisces. Okay, this person just doesn't want to let you go. This is somebody who is going to put efforts. Like, if they have not been calling you, you will see that they're going to call you. If this is somebody who was trying to ignore you, you will see that this person will start putting efforts slowly and slowly. This is somebody, I don't know, this with the Wheel of Fortune in reverse, this is somebody who has realized that they made a mistake. Like, by not paying attention to you, this person now wants to work on this connection with you. It's like the tables have turned. Like, the runner has become a chaser and the chaser has become a runner. Okay, as far as the future energy is concerned, Pisces, we have the Eight of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles and Tower. See, this is, I don't know, I feel that this person is going to put efforts on you. Okay, but still it is like you will end up having some arguments. So in the immediate future, I see you both having some arguments, some verbal exchange of words. Okay, this may not necessarily be a warm communication. It's like you both will end up arguing. There could be somebody else in the picture too. I see that this person is trying to get rid of somebody else in their life. It's like they were involved with somebody else. Could be a karmic, some other relationship. This person is trying to end things with that person to be with you. Okay, this is what I feel. See, we have the Justice here and Page of Swords here. This is somebody who knows that you are the one for them. This person doesn't want anybody else apart from you, Pisces. Okay, this is somebody who just doesn't want anybody else apart from you. They love you, they want you, and period. Okay, that is it. This person has made up their mind to chase you, to woo you, to do everything in their capacity so that they can have you back in their life. You could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces majorly, like most of you could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces here. Okay, because that's something which is very prominent in this reading. Could be a Scorpio. We have Gemini and Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces and Libra. These sun signs are prominent here. Okay, so this is somebody who is not going to give up on you. You could be dealing with somebody who took you for granted in the past. This is somebody who didn't pay attention to you when the time was right. Okay, this is somebody who regrets not putting enough efforts when you were with this person, Pisces. Okay, this is somebody who is now willing to put efforts. Okay, this person feels that, you know what, this person has made up their mind that they want you by hook or by crook. Okay, so this is somebody who is going to put efforts on you, Pisces. So we will see what are your energies now. We will see what are your energies. Four of Wands, the Death, and Knight of Pentacles. Three of Wands, Moon, Magician. Five of Pentacles, the Devil, and Six of Pentacles, all reverse. Okay, so Pisces, I feel that you feel that there was a lot hidden in this connection. Okay, we have the moon in reverse. Like maybe you got to know things, you got to know many things about this person, you realized where you stand in this connection. Okay, some of you tried moving on. Maybe you were talking to somebody else, you did try to explore new relationships, but it did not work. It's like you felt that you don't connect with anybody else. I see you in a state of dilemma where you don't know whether to still pursue this person, wait for this person, or to move on. I still don't see you manifesting, like you don't know. See, we have the Magician in reverse. This is like you've kind of lost hope in this connection. You don't know where is this heading to. Okay, as far as the future energy is concerned, some of you, I feel that maybe you're over attached to this person. I see you over attached to this person. I feel that you are somebody who will try to put efforts. Like if this person comes back to you, you will put efforts in this connection and you would want to take it forward. This is Six of Wands. You know that this is very difficult. I don't see you having high hopes from this person, Pisces. Okay, I don't see you having high hopes from this person, but I still don't see you giving up on this person. It's like you feel like, okay, you feel like moving on, but you can't. Some of you may have ended this connection with this person in the past. Like could be that this person tried starting a new chapter with somebody else. You ended this connection because you did not feel you felt that this person has been very slow. You felt that this person was not putting efforts in this connection. Okay, maybe because of which this connection came to an end in the past. Okay, but somehow things are going to get revived because I see this person coming back, Pisces. This person has made up their decision to chase you. They don't want to leave it to destiny to get you. This is somebody who wants to take things in their hands. Okay, this is somebody who wants to do things so much so that they can win you back. All right, I don't see you having hopes though. Okay, I don't see you, but one thing that I feel is that you both are attached, like over attached. It's like you both are having sleepless nights, you both cry at times, you both are suffering in silence. Okay, you both are suffering in silence. This is what I see here. This person is somebody who is almost, this is somebody who's trying their best to get out of their karmic partners, like maybe they were involved somewhere else. This person is trying their best to get out of those relationships just to be with you, Pisces. Okay, see, the problem is that you have lost hope. That's the problem. We have the Star, Ace of Cups, Nine of Swords and Judgment. This tells me that some of you may have met a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces or a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius already. Okay, this is somebody who may have come back in your life, and or this could be a new person, this could be a past person, doesn't really matter, but you have options, Pisces. Okay, you have options. Maybe this is a friend of yours or something, like you're trying to connect but it's not happening. Okay, it's like you want to move on but you can't. And this is not just your situation, this is not just you, this is your person too. You both are sailing on the same boat, like you both try to move on from each other but you can't. Okay, this is what I feel. I feel that you are stuck on this person is stuck on you. Okay, the only message that I have for you is don't lose hope. Okay, don't lose hope. Some of you, you're being asked to forgive this person, like this person is not happy without you. You're being asked to forgive this person, give them a second chance. For the others of you, there is one more message. If you can, read some spiritual books, try to go inwards. Okay, do what gives you happiness, do what gives you peace, Pisces. Okay, do things that will give you peace, like you can meditate for a while. You are being asked to pray, like pray for 30 minutes every day, or meditate for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. Spend time in silence, Pisces. Okay, this will bring a lot of peace in your life. Okay, some of you, you're going through a lot of stress of lately. You're being asked to work on your inner self. All right, see, you are the wish fulfillment, Pisces. This person is just not happy without you. See, we have the Nine of Cups and Four of Swords here, and your Three of Pentacles reverse. Some of you, maybe you are also stuck with the karmic. Could be that I don't know, you also trying to get rid of some relationships. Now this is for some of you, not all of you, because it's a general reading. So some of you, maybe you're trying to get rid of some relationship, like you could be stuck in a dead marriage or a dead relationship. So you're trying to get rid of that so that you can move forward, okay, towards this person or a new life. All right, so let's see what messages do we have for you, my Pisces. We'll see if we have any messages for you. Yeah, see, you're being asked to have heart-to-heart conversations with this person. I think you both need to sit and talk, Pisces. The thing that is missing is I feel that you both are not trying to understand each other. Okay, that's the message. See, religious factor, so there could be some differences between both of you. Status difference, religious difference. Maybe you both are from two different communities, or this could be you both stay at a distance, or this could be that there is this age gap between both of you. So that is also one reason because of which this relationship is getting affected. So I think you both are asked to spend time with each other. That's the main thing here, like you both need to know each other. Don't spoil this beautiful connection because of some misunderstandings that you have had in the past with this person. Okay, so let's see if we have any message for you, my Pisces. We'll see if we have any message for you. Okay, spying and stalker. You're dealing with somebody who's stalking you, Pisces. Somebody is spying you heavily. They're following you. Could be outside your office, outside your home, checking your phone, listening to your conversations, whatever it is. Okay, this card means that somebody is spying you heavily. Alright, so this is somebody who is obsessed with you, Pisces. This is somebody who has immense love for you. Okay, so many cards. Hard work will pay all, your hard work will pay off. Just don't give up. Some of you have been working very hard of lately as far as your career is concerned. You are being asked to continue whatever you have been doing. Okay, just don't give up. Okay, just because you failed once or twice, it doesn't mean you will fail all the time. Okay, so just don't give up. Success is a combination of hard work, day in and day out. Okay, so just don't give up, don't divert. Whatever you have been doing, you are on the right track. Keep going forward. Okay, that's the message. Let's see what else do we have for you, my Pisces. Marriage. Some of you, I think you're going to get married to this person for sure. This is a divine connection. You're going to get married to this person. Okay, for sure. Yeah, so that was that, Pisces. I really hope this helps and resonates, and if this does, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and do let me know how did this resonate. For personal readings, the details are mentioned below in the description box. You can check that. So yeah, so that was that. You guys take care, be safe, bye.